Like a Hellcat.
What's up, everybody? My name is Jonathan SHF Gamer, and I'm going to show y'all my new intro, which is, I'm going to start now. It's my new intro that I just had. I just made it off of a thing. I'm going to show you how to make it and everything. First off, you're supposed to get this app right here called Intro Maker. It looks like this. Press it, and you can, get on it. I already got mine right here. You can, like, edit and everything. Alright, I'm gonna save it, yeah. I think I done saved it, but if you're a gamer or anything like that, like, it says popular, gaming, outro, cute, something like that, stuff like that. And a glitch, and cool, stuff like that. Yeah, so I went to game, I'm gonna go do popular. Matter of fact, not popular, I'm gonna do an outro. I'm gonna do a cool outro, like, for... What will match? I'm gonna go to this one. So you're supposed to download it. You need space and stuff on your phone. Outro are designed for YouTube, end screen, feature. I know you use. You're supposed to start it and stuff like that. Make sure everything's like here. Make sure you can put like stuff down and stuff like that. Yeah. All right. Now you can put down like music, which I'm not gonna do that since it's just an outro. Title, which you can do. Tap to edit and stuff like that. But I'm not going to do that, so you're just going to go like this. See, it says thanks for watching, and then you can put like whatever, all that stuff. Now I'm going to do a intro, which is I'm going to do a gaming intro, which I'm going to do this in. And yeah. See, this is just the preview of it, and then yeah, alright. So I'm gonna put my name in. Alright, so just in case, done. Oh, my bad. Alright, press done. Just stay free, and then go start from the beginning to see if you like it. And then it comes back, and put your name again. And then you're good. Press the check mark, done, and then you can restart it again, see if it looks right. And you do it like that. You can put your subtitle, which I'm going to put nothing, so it can just look right. Done. Alright, then put nothing there again. Done. Wait. You can like edit and stuff like that. Alright, trash it. Alright, yeah, you can trash it and everything, so it's gonna look like this. Then it comes back and put your name. And you can add music, which I'm gonna add music, and I think it's copyrighted or not, I'm not sure. But yeah, these ain't copyrighted. So I'm gonna put like pain. Or flat. And you can add which one you want, like how far you want, and fade it in, fade out. Which you can turn down the volume. Alright. Alright, so yeah, you can do that and press the check mark when you're done. And then, if you're done, you can press this check mark right here. And then it says exporting, and you have to wait until it exports, which I'm not going to save because it's not going to be my intro. Which, matter of fact, I actually am. I have 2 intros. Like, I'm gonna do like each one of them for each time, and see. And you should go to your files, and go to your files, like your pictures and stuff. It should show the videos. Look ugly. Ah. Should show your gallery, I think. Should show up in your gallery. Nope. I'm not sure where it actually goes, so you just go to Intro Maker again. And it should say copy credit, I think. And then you go to home. And then intros, storage. I think it's your storage folder. No, actually. Hold on. I'm gonna come back. You're supposed to go to my work. Wait, it's right here. Press it right here, and it shows yours. Which I'm gonna show you mine, my original. That's my original, and this is the. Oh God, I just pressed it. No. This is the one that we just made. No, no, Mom. That's not it. That's the back outro. I think this is it. Yeah. And you press the check mark, and then you could save it as original or something like that. But then you could, I think you hold it and click on it, and that's how you make an intro and outro. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and peace out, guys.